Hello students, welcome to e-classes of Deepo School. So today we are going to learn a new chapter of Standard 4 Science World book, chapter number 10. So in this chapter we are going to know about air, water and weather, and our topic name is air, water and weather. Okay, so student, first of all we are going to learn what is air. So air is all around us. You cannot see air, but you can feel it pushing against you when it moves. Air is always moving. So when air moves, it is called what? Wind. Okay. A gentle wind is called breeze. What students? What we learn? When air moves is called what? Wind, and a gentle wind is called breeze. Okay. Then next one is a strong wind is called gale. Gale. Okay. Then just like that, very strong wind are called what? Storms. Okay. So storms can be extremely powerful, students. They can knock down trees, cause damage to houses, and all cause boats to sink. Sometimes storms can occur along with thunder and lightning. This one you see, thunder and lightning. These are called thunderstorm. Okay, so these are called thunderstorm. Then, so you can understand that wind affects the weather of a place. Even knowing which way the wind is blowing helps you to know the type of water you can accept. Now, what exactly causes the wind blow, students? Just see. Students, let us know all around us. The heat of the sun heats up the air. Since warm is lighter than cooler air, so it rises, and the cool air then moves into take its place. This causes wind to blow. During the day, the sun heats up the land. Okay, here you see, during the day what happened? The sun heats up the land. Okay, then the air above the land gets heated and hot air rise up. Okay, then after that air from the sea moves into to take the place of the warm air. This is called sea breeze, and this one is called what? Sea breeze. Then during the night the land cools because the sea breeze is come to take the place of sea to the warm air. Okay. Next one is down faster than sea. The air above the sea becomes warm and rises up. The cool air from the land moves towards the sea and takes its place. This is called land breeze. Okay. This is called what? This is called land breeze. Then students, so the heat of the sun causes the wind to blow. It is causes water to change its states. The water from lakes, river, oceans and sea changes its water vapor due to the heat of the sun. Then the amount of water vapor in the air depends on how hot the air gets. Warmer air can carry more water vapor. When this warm air with water vapor rises, it cools and forms clouds of tiny droplets. Just like here you see, so the water first evaporates and then condenses to form water again, and then the water droplets in the clouds fall as rain. Here you see. Okay, first from water, after heating up the sun, first the water is converted into water vapor, then into cloud, and then the rain is begin, and after that with the form of rain again comes to earth. Okay, so this one is water cycle. Water vapor usually falls on the earth as rain, but sometimes it falls in other forms. So what are the forms, students? First one is hill. As rain drops come down, they sometimes pass through very cold air, and as a result they freeze to form small balls of ice. These balls of ice that fall to the ground are called hailstones. Okay, so these are the hailstones. Then snow. When water vapor cools down suddenly, it freezes to form tiny white snow flakes. Okay, just like this, and these fall to the ground as a snow. Then the fog. So what is fog, students? Here you see in that picture, during the winter, water vapor condenses just above the ground to form a thick cloud, and this is called what? Fog. Then dew. Sometimes the water vapor in the air condenses and settles as tiny droplets on leaves, flowers, and on window glasses or vehicles. This is called dew. So you may see here these are the dews. Okay, then frost. When it gets very cold, the dew droplets freeze into tiny white crystals, and this is called what? Frost. So the wind affects the weather. The water vapor in air also causes changes in the weather. But what is the main cause of changes in weather? It is the heat of the sun. So the weather can be hot, can be cold, can be rainy, can be cloudy and humid. It changes from day to day, sometimes from hour to hour, and the weather changes during the seasons too. So next one we are going to see is how are seasons caused. You know that the earth moves around the sun, and this one is called revolution. This the side of the earth that faces the sun has summer. Here you see the side of the earth faces the sun is called is a previewing summer season, and as the alternative side is winter. Okay, so we have different seasons in different parts of the world. The weather is often stable during a season as the earth revolves around the sun. It also moves on its axis. This is called rotation. Okay. Then during rotation, the side of the earth that faces the sun has day, and the part that is away from the sun has night. So days are warm and nights are cool. Okay. Then weather forecast. So around the world, weather stations record the type of the weather every day. So here in the picture you see this one is the weather stations. Okay, so they monitor and measure the temperature, the amount of rainfall and the hours of sunshine. This helps them to forecast weather. Would you like to know what the weather will be like tomorrow? Then watch the weather forecast on TV tonight. Okay, so the barometer is used to measure the changes in the air pressure. Okay, what? Barometer. Okay, then this one is the chapter 10 whole topic discussion, and in that next class we are going to see the question answer. So thank you students, see you in next class.